Chances are, if you've spent any time with repair information, you've come across the code chart. This lists all the codes for a particular vehicle, especially the emissions components. In there, you're going to have the criteria for setting certain codes. It's also going to have the criteria for clearing those codes to make sure that monitor runs and completes. The one thing you'll notice on a lot of these from different manufacturers is it needs the crankshaft position sensor signal. For some vehicles, well, it's going to learn the position and learn the different tolerances for the motors automatically. But for some, you're going to have issues with recalibrating the sensor, and it's a procedure that must be done on the vehicle. When you do this, this will allow other monitors to run and other codes to be cleared from the ECM, BCM, and other modules on the vehicle. So just keep this in mind. You may have to replace it and also calibrate the sensor to complete other monitors on the vehicle to resolve emissions-related component problems. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.